Hello friends, so today we have seen the future perfect form, then distribution and negative. Now today we have got yes or no questions. And now we can see a sentence. They will have finished their work. You have a sentence like this. So, you remember now the formula for making yes or no question? If the verb is a verb phrase, there is more than one word in that. Take the first word and put it in front of the sentence. Then it becomes yes or no question. So you have got will have finished. Take the first word and bring it here. Then you will get the will they have finished their work? Question mark. That's all. It's very simple. So you have got again, let's say a few more sentences. I will do as example, and tomorrow we will have as usual an exercise. Okay. Yes, here. Now you have got he will have celebrated his birthday. Okay. So the question will be, will he have celebrated his birthday? First question mark. So will he have celebrated his birthday? That will be the yes or no question. And thus you can have any number. You can say people will have gone there. Will the people have gone there? Question mark. Students will have studied well. Will students have studied well? Will students have studied well? They will have gone for a film. Will they have gone for a film? Will they have gone for a film? And then you have got the principal will have punished them. Will the principal have punished them? Will the principal have punished them? The painter, okay. The artist will have completed the picture. Will the artist have completed the picture? Will the artist have completed the picture? The teachers have completed their portions. Will the teachers have completed their portions? And the army will have marched into the territory. Will the army have marched into the territory? Friends will have cared for each other. Will friends have cared for each other? The good Samaritan will have helped the traveler. Will the good Samaritan have helped the traveler? You can say Bhim will have killed Bega. Will Bhima have killed Bega? Will Bhima? Understand? Hanumanji will have reached Sri Lanka. Will Hanumanji have reached Sri Lanka? Understand? Yes. Hector will have fought a terrible battle. Will Hector have fought a terrible battle? Achilles will have killed Hector. Will Achilles have killed Hector? From Trojan War. The other was from Mahabharata, isn't it? Yes. The Pandavas will have hid themselves. Will the Pandavas have hid themselves in the forest? 1 year they had to live in incognito. Incognito means without anybody knowing. And you know the story also. They disguised as Brahmins. they lived with a Maharshi, a Muni, isn't it? Yes. Then Yudhishthira will have answered all the questions by the crane, that magic crane, wasn't it? That was Yamaraj. Yamaraj disguised as crane. Will Yudhishthira have answered all the questions by Yamaraj? That is another question. And then all the four brothers will have died. Will all the brothers have died? Brothers of Yudhishthira. That is story, the Ekshaprasana, the background of the Ekshaprasana. And the deer will have the deer will have carried away the arani of the Maharshi. Will the deer have carried away the arani of the Maharshi? So you have got number of this, isn't it? Yes. Cinderella will have the monster will have threatened Cinderella. Will the monster have threatened Cinderella? Dracula will have drunk the blood of his victim. Will Dracula have drunk the blood of his victim? So very simple. Now as you can do a practice. Group 1 you give the input. Group 2 you give the output. Say read out sentences or you generate sentences like this, and they will convert that into an yes or no question. The answer is yes or no. That's why these questions are known as yes or no question. Now we have been doing this right from the first lesson in the discussion of tenses, that is the present continuous tense. So you are now very familiar with this, I am sure. It comes to you as pudding. So see you, sweet pudding. Yeah. See you again. Please work with me, learn with me, join me. Let us together do this and make this grammar tutorial a wonderful experience. Bye. Have a nice day.